very clear, very shocking presentation, I must say, but it's...
Because you mentioned the transit zone that is going to be introduced in September. So I was wondering...
So we still have a situation in Europe whereby the majority of asylum seekers are received in a limited number of countries. So 5 member states are receiving a percentage of around 70% or above of the total number of applications that are made in Europe. This was the case in 2014, and these discrepancies and inequalities in distribution have been exacerbated this year. So we see that in the first 6 months of this year, Germany has received nearly 180,000 applications. This was nearly the number that it had received for the whole of the previous year.
To any of the speakers, please.
Just one question.
What is interesting, however, in the case of Sweden is that we see a very important rise in the number of children seeking asylum. This is the case both for unaccompanied children, but also children coming within families. According to statistics for the first 7 months of 2015, that was also the case in the first half of 2015, 1 out of 3 asylum seekers coming to Sweden this year is a child. So this puts into perspective discussions around who the people seeking asylum are, what their needs are, and what measures should be taken for their accommodation.
I have another question for Julia.
It's the average recognition rate above 75%. Which doesn't mean
We've done at the Helsinki Committee a short research on the European practices. It seems that at the moment, no other European member state considers Serbia as a safe third country for refugees than Hungary. This concept goes completely against the UNHCR's position. So this will allow the government and the asylum office to reject 99% of the cases that are registered in Hungary, because 99.9999% of the asylum seekers arrive in Hungary through Serbia. So this is a blank method to reject all the cases, which will prevent these people from real and effective protection.
Question for Vasiliki Tsipoura about the legal aid, and if I understood correctly, you said but will be, and I was wondering if you could maybe give a little bit more details on.
According to the latest information we have, more than 380,000 refugees and migrants arrived in Europe by crossing the Mediterranean in 2015, out of which more than 258,000 in Greece alone. So we have information about numbers in 1 month, the month of July, being larger than last year's in total. So in July we had 50,242 people, when in 2014 we had 43,500.